not too difficult when them icon in the building. Mr. Easy. Welcome, brother.
Brother, big up yourself, man. I don't know. Mr. Easy. We are here at the famous Harmony House.
Harmony House. First of all, we're say, you wouldn't have did the interview anywhere else. Talk to me about why here, this building, this studio was so important for you.
I mean, Harmony House brand is very important to Mr. Easy. When I came up to Jamaica in 1996, Mr. Barris Hammond is a person who saw me in New York and say, you sound really good as a singer, but you need to come to Jamaica and record. Come back to Jamaica. And, I was afraid at first, take the chance to really come back to Jamaica and start record. And Barris really encouraged me to come back to Jamaica, and I came to Jamaica, started recording back, with the Harmony House. So the first songs that I ever did coming back to Jamaica was for Harmony House, I'll always be there. You can cry on my shoulder whenever you need a friend. That song is on the Rockaway rhythm.
Harmony House Studio.
On the Harmony House.
Big up Harmony House.
So people can go and check it out. Big up Barris Hammond.
It sounds like you and Barris have a different type of link. What's one of the things that you've been able to learn from the legend?
How to really, make the vocals really sounds, and the timing of how you sing on top of a rhythm. Barris always tell me, the rhythm not leave you. Just take your time, man. Don't feel like don't rush it. Just take your time and deliver the vocals, and how serious it is for you to take care of your vocals as well, and how to really project that vocal, make people, feel the energy when you deliver, and how to, make the people feel you, and how to perform on stage. These are the things that he always talk to me about.
I know that you yourself are reaching that iconic status as well, too, with a catalog as yours. What is some advice that you have for some of the new generation singers that you're hearing right now?
Well, the first thing you have to do is, develop your skill. Find your niche. Whether you're a DJ or a singer, just practice and work on that voice training and make sure, say, the vocals is up there. Make sure, the DJ, make sure say you have powerful vocals, and learn the business as well.
You come from the era of dancehall where there was a lot of collaborations between even singers and DJs.
Yes, I don't see that much. I don't see it that much like.
Not like one time.
Not like one time.
Yeah. What's one of the biggest changes or evolutions in the business from when you started or in your heyday?
How you record, I mean, we used to record with, a lot of analog. Now it's digital. Now people have more chance of way how them can deliver them vocals, where they make mistakes, them can correct it much easier. And even the performance, it's a different way of performing now. There's not that much band performing with band like how we used to perform with a lot of live band.
You also mentioned that Father Barris said to you, you need to come back to Jamaica and record and everything then. That's another one of the big changes in the industry right now. It almost seems like artists, if anything, are move out of Jamaica now.
Move out of Jamaica.
Like the business has changed in a way that artists don't even need to be in Jamaica no more.
They don't really need to be in Jamaica. But I love to perform in Jamaica. I like to, record in Jamaica because you feel a different energy, a different vibe. There's no way to record in the world like Jamaica, trust me. So even when a person leaves, I'm sure they miss that vibe of just the energy and the whole movement of Jamaica. You get so much ideas, and have my friends around me. I have a good friend. I have a writer around me as well. My brother is Corridon. We've been friends for like years. God bless. Him being in my life as a friend and as a person that's dear, supporting Mr. Easy over the years. You understand me? So
you have a strong team.
Yeah, man, it's teamwork. It's not Mr. Easy by himself. I have a song called "Wish You Were Here." A real G ain't supposed to cry. Try to hide my tears. You were my bona fide, always flexing everywhere. You were more than a friend, more than a family. Oh, words just can't explain the tears my heart still bleed. Oh yeah. So me ask the Creator, because in my Jamaica. If me G gone on to somewhere greater, things that, yo, I wish you were here. Oh, and I have another song that's doing very well. You know, You Are My Friend for Life. You know, You Are My Friend with featuring The Alpha, a good DJ.
Yeah.
You know,
from where?
He's from Old Harbour. He's here in Jamaica. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
What's next for Mr. Easy?
What was next for Easy? More recording, more music, more shows, more performance.
And we rarely hear Mr. Easy name associated with any controversy or anything like that. But recently we heard about a lawsuit that's actually taking place with regards to your name.
Well, I mean, my name is Mr. Easy. I've been Mr. Easy. You know, I was given that name because of the person that I am, my style. You know, and you know, like around the world, Jamaica is a very influential place when it comes to music. Mm-hmm. You know, you go travel to different countries, you find that a lot of people use our names as artists, as DJs, as singers. Mm-hmm. You know, but some of them take it to another level. You know, mm-hmm. because at the end of the day, it's a business at the same time. You know, I've been using this name, as I say, for years. So it's basically we're dealing with a situation right now, and we just want to see it all play. You know.
Have you had any contact with the artist?
Well, we tried, you know, but I guess that's how it is. So when someone is not responding, you know, you have no choice but to try some way else of
legal.
Yeah, of how to deal with it, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So I am the Mr. Easy. I am the official Mr. Easy. You can check me out on Instagram, the official Mr. Easy.
Is there a favorite collaboration that you've had over the years that's more sentimental for you?
Wow. Well, you know, one of the big combination I've done that really started on my career was the song with me and Baby Sham. Mm-hmm. So Strange Things on the Joyride, and that's the rhythm that really got me out there, got me started as far as people knowing who Mr. Easy is. Mm-hmm. So I have to say Joyride, produced by Dave Kelly.
Legend.
Yeah, and I have to big up Tony Kelly as well.
Yeah.
Who give me the biggest song to date, you know. Drive me crazy. She drive me crazy, on and on. Yeah, but people go and check out Friends for Life.
That's a go on.
And go and check out Wish You Were Here. But that's where we are now.
That's easy.